that's how I ended up with $110 Accord. Guys, so let me fill you in on a little bit what's going on. We just picked up another CB7 after I picked up a CB7 a couple months back. We stopped vlogging because I managed to erase all of our content, but nevertheless we're gonna get started once again. This one's a parts car for that one. We're gonna take a bunch of stuff off of it and kind of make that one look a little nicer. And if you guys need parts, tap in on the bio, Slowk_official. I'm gonna be partying this bitch out, but for now we'll go into detail in just a moment. Fuck you mean? Alright guys, we are back. So first let me tell you the backstory about this CB7. We went out to San Jose. I saw it on Craigslist. Unfortunately the owner passed away and the family came out to sell the car in the house from out of state. And it's a one owner 1991 Accord EX 5-speed fucking manual. We rebuilt the suspension from the front end, did coilovers, but one snapped. Don't go eBay coilovers. But I got some new Yonakas, plus the other CB7 has some coils, so I'll decide on which ones I want to use. Got everything pretty much situated on that. And that's how I ended up with $110 Accord, because I sold the exhaust within one day of buying it. Made enough of a profit to justify buying the Accord. And now we have 2 Accords, one for parts, one to use. Stay tuned for the footage. We're gonna be putting it out soon.
Alright guys, so today is a new day. Kay is working on the car, this Accord.
Yeah. So the plan today is I'm just gonna get the strut bars off. I'm hopefully gonna be getting the coilovers off, and throwing my stock suspension that I got with that car on this one. Somebody, I'm gonna put it on up for sale, but somebody who needs a 5-speed swap for cheap, tap in. And you know, hopefully I still have it so we could.
That'd be so funny. Okay guys, so watch us take off this hood and probably do some other little stuff.
We're gonna let 3, 2, 1. Right, wait, no, you're gonna.
I'm not set up for that!
Swap hands. You have to get set up for that then. Drop it slowly. Swap hands. Ready?
Yeah, I do not have the facilities for that, man. Guys.
And if you don't, things will not be fucking mint. Dude, dead ass.
Hey guys, so we left off at taking this hood off. So the hood is removed.
So pretty much I got the strut bar off the front. Megan Racing strut bar. Got the OE ashtray out the corner up. 2 seconds. But we took, the biggest thing was today, we took the taillights off. What's on the back here? Yeah. So if you have a CB7 and you're trying to remove your taillights, it's 4 bolts for this one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I did learn something today. When you take the taillights out, you actually have to slide them out, because I pulled and I broke the clips. But luckily my car has perfect taillights, so I'm going to use my clips. And over here it's the same kind of thing. You're just going to remove, at first I removed every little bulb, but it turns out there's one piece to the main harness. So you're going to unplug that one piece, 4 bolts going through, pull it right out. Same thing on the opposite side. And yeah, we're starting to make progress.
Yeah.
Alright, so we did discover something pretty cool with this car. When we bought it, literally, my boy hit me up, said his landlord needed it gone, so I slid through. We towed it home. And afterwards, I kind of started looking over what we have, inventory-wise. Godspeed coilovers. That alone is worth more than what I paid for the car. Megan Racing front and rear strut bar. And then it's wired up for subwoofers, and whoever did this did a decent job, actually. So if you can see right over there, they have some other like high output Alpine pieces, and I honestly don't know what they are, but I'm going to take a look at them in detail tomorrow. And then we have a little amp, but I'm probably going to get a little better one, because that's just the vibe, and I don't want a vibe, I want bump. But yeah, so we're making progress on it. It's just a slow project, pretty much. If you guys need any parts, feel free to tap in. We're going to be doing a lot more stuff. SI's on hold for right now. We're gonna be going over it on Saturday. We're taking a little trip out to LA in the SI, so stay tuned for that. We're probably gonna vlog a little bit because it's gonna be a dope ass trip. But
So that's all that was done today so far on this new CB7.